What's going on, peeps? Welcome to another market strip down session. Um, none of the setups really played out. What we did have happen though was a retest of this structure in here. So let's uh, let's clear this out. I mean, actually, this it wasn't part of any of the analysis, but the structure that we had in here, we broke below it on Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we used it as resistance and then fell. But let's do the do. All monthly, nice upper wick formed. Weekly, nice reversal. Mark up some levels here on the weekly. I'll mark that weekly high. That's going to be an important level as well. See those three levels for the weeklies. And then on the downside, looking at that level and this level. Daily, we can adjust everything a little bit here. Adjust it again on the 4 hour. That level was very strong on, what is that, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. End of Tuesday, all of Wednesday, and at the start of Thursday, literally all touched that level and rejected right off of it. Just it's not going to make a difference for the positioning of the line, but I like to have stuff organized properly. I mean, let's go back up for a second. We got the weekly. Strong bearish candle. Daily. Looks like we could have a slight bullish move. And I'll break it down now on the 4 hour. So honestly, the 4 hour, where is this last week's high? It's up in there. So we got Monday. So that's high on Monday. Okay. Honestly, I'm going to look for... Right now, I'm looking bearish. Unless we break above that level from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm still looking bearish. The only way I'll show you that I could be looking bullish is if... Not this either, obviously. I'm going to be looking for sells in those two areas. If I'm looking bullish, I need price to return. I would need price to return and create structure in one of these two areas. I'm going to change the colors now just so it's a little easier to see. So I don't know, let's do... If structure is found in one of these two areas, it pushes, let's say, gaps or opens right where it is, mark it open, goes down, uses structure again here for, I'd say, at least 2 4-hour candles. Obviously that's gonna include multiple 1-hour candles. Or even down here, and then we see structure forming and start seeing it come back up. Obviously you still have to keep these two areas in consideration, but then we could target these previous highs up here, these two levels, anywhere from 2967 to 2977, so about that 110 pip range. Obviously inversely, those would be the other two options. Other than that, I don't really see anything. But those, I'm not going to say that buys aren't an option. There is a possibility that we have a bullish week, and it could be a bullish engulfing week, and we break last week's high, and we go back and gravitate towards the 31 or the 30-20 areas, especially with everything that's happening in the economy or with politics and everything right now. Gold is a safe haven, so any uncertainty, money gets pushed into gold, right? As we saw over here. If I had to say, I'm leaning more towards the sells, but the buys are also an option as well to pay attention to. So yeah, other than that, I don't see anything else. I hope this helps us this upcoming week, and I'm wishing you all a blessed and abundant week ahead. God bless. See you next one. Bye-bye.